Ruffled blooms of this orchid with shades of purple hues reflect its delicate yet extravagant nature, producing an exceptionally beautiful fragrance that is on par with its lovely appearance. Therapeutic orchids are part of the composition to soothe and enhance your scent experience. You may have heard that orchids, like most plants, possess medicinal values, and these are no exceptions, so let's find out more. This therapeutic orchid is an important Ayurvedic medicine. Releasing a sweet flavor when consumed, it helps in cooling the body and functions as an aphrodisiac. The plant is often used as a tonic to promote better overall health, but can also be applied topically as an emollient. Adding sweetness to the fragrance composition is this orchid. Lovely with its strong linalool and neroli-like scent, this orchid is mainly found in countries such as Malaysia and Indonesia. The leaves of this orchid is made into paste as an herbal remedy for minor illnesses such as ulcers. To boost the bright and vibrant tone of the fragrance, citrus fruits such as orange, lemon, and lime were added. Oranges, used in perfumes, add a scent of irresistible sweetness that is deliciously fresh and tangy in the fragrance composition. In aromatherapy applications, orange essential oil's pleasant scent provides an exuberance and cheerful sensation, beneficially uplifting our mood and reducing any stress or tension while simultaneously creating a relaxing and balancing effect. Similar to many citrus fruits that come packed with vitamin C, orange is not an exception. Used in cosmetics, it is great for promoting smooth and radiant skin. Bright, cheerful, and vivid with a sweet and zesty undertone, lemons build a perfect olfactory harmony in combination with orange and other citrus notes in the composition. Other than being a highly energizing aroma, lemons also possess purifying and cleansing abilities due to their antibacterial properties. Embodying the freedom that reigns in this fragrance, this is perfectly crafted for the innately spontaneous, carefree, and passionate souls. A perfect addition to your perfume for that splash of energy and happiness.